Jamie Blanchard-Pulling. I am the founder and owner of Compost Queen PBC, and we are processing food waste specifically here in Fort Collins, Colorado. One of the reasons that we are doing research testing on compostable products is because there's something called extended producer responsibility coming down the line for the state of Colorado, which is something where producers of compostable products will be paying a fee into a pool, and that pool will be distributed to compost facilities that actually process the compostable products. And so in order to get in on that, we are testing currently to see if we can be one of those facilities, and if we are, what type of compostable products that we can actually process at our facility and be able to go from there with different types of rules and different types of products. My reservations about processing compostable products is lookalikes, is contamination, and the actual processing itself is, do these products actually break down in real world settings?
I worked with Jamie and Max at Compost Queen to help pick out the products they wanted to test, making sure they had a variety of substrates, and then actually came on site both to fill the bags in the beginning. So you fill a mesh bag with compost and compostable products, and then came on site halfway through when they were done with their active phase of composting, and we analyzed half of the bags. And then I actually came back a third time to analyze the finished bags after the finished compost was done.
I am very excited about the prospect of doing compostables because it is going to open up a few paths for us as far as different kind of customers, different kind of accounts that we will be able to get in order to continue diversion from the landfill. Eco Products has been amazing with this process. Not only are they providing materials for us to test, they are sending representatives to come help us throughout the process and actually learn about the same things that we're learning as a facility to take back to their business and share that with the people who actually make these products to see if we can do anything together to make the process better for everyone. So what we have going on today behind us is a CFTP, or Compostable Field Testing Program. A lot of the products that we are testing currently are paper products, and a lot of them come specifically from Eco Products.
We get our products certified through BPI, CMA. We do a lot of work to make sure that composters can trust our products. I think it's really important for a compost facility to see how compostable products perform at their pile, their system. There's so many environmental factors that happen when it comes to making compost. So if you live in an arid climate, a very humid climate, depending on your feedstocks, depending on how long you process or short you process, there's so many variables. I think field testing on site is really crucial to understanding what will break down in your facility. That's one thing that we're committed to, is supporting compost manufacturers with field testing all across the United States.
So Compost Queen has been in this composting industry for about 6.5 years now, and I will say since the beginning in 2018 to today in 2025, we are getting much more interest in composting and diversion of compostables out of the landfill as well as organics. And with that, I am very optimistic about the future of composting. I think that eventually the state will probably have some mandates in place, and I really hope that it comes sooner than later, especially with this uptick of the community's caring, which is wonderful.